The federal government has announced another increase in petroleum prices, raising the price of petrol by 6.39 rupees per litre and high-speed diesel by 7.83 rupees per litre. The increase has been linked to fluctuations in global oil prices following renewed regional hostilities in the Persian Gulf. With the latest revision, the price of petrol has increased to 327.12 rupees per litre, while high-speed diesel now costs 375.04 rupees per litre. According to the Petroleum Division, the new prices will come into effect from July 23rd. The announcement comes as Pakistan shifts to a daily fuel pricing mechanism. Petroleum Minister Ali Pervez Malik had earlier said the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority or OGRA would now determine fuel prices every day based on international market trends. He also said OGRA would begin publishing daily fuel prices on its website along with a detailed price breakdown in Urdu to improve transparency. Meanwhile, the All Pakistan Petroleum Pump Owners Association has postponed its planned nationwide strike for 2 weeks after fresh negotiations with the petroleum minister. The association had announced an indefinite strike after talks with the government over daily fuel pricing failed. However, following another round of discussions, both sides agreed to defer the protest after the government assured dealers that their concerns would be addressed within the next fortnight. Speaking after the meeting, Petroleum Minister Ali Pervez Malik said the government had spent around 100 billion rupees since February 28 to reduce the impact of rising fuel prices and had introduced a subsidy scheme for the most vulnerable sections of society.
उसकी वजह से अवाम को भी क्या मुश्किलात हैं, वज़ीर आज़म साहब और सारी हुकूमत उससे भी वाकिफ है। इसलिए आप जानते हैं 28 फरवरी से आज तक हुकूमत ने कई 100 अरब वफाकी हुकूमत के वसाइल में से इस्तेमाल करते हुए उन्होंने इस तकलीफ के आगे बंद बांधने की कोशिश की है। इसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट आसिफ जरदारी साहब और सारे वुज़राए आला उनके साथ मिलके एक भरपूर टारगेटेड सब्सिडी का निज़ाम तरतीब दिया गया और अवाम के लिए कुछ आसानी का बायस बनने की कोशिश की गई। उसके बाद तेल के शोबे के साथ मुंसलिक जो सारे लोग हैं, चाहे वो रिफाइनरियां हो, ऑयल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज हो, डीलर हजरात और इनकी सारी तंजीमें हो, इन सब ने अपनी हैसियत के मुताबिक, अपनी वसात के मुताबिक इस अमल को शफाफ और मुनसिफाना अंदाज के अंदर आगे लेके चलने के अंदर बेपनाह मदद की जिसके लिए मैं इन सब का मशकूर हूं। जो अब दोबारा खित्ते के अंदर एक दफा फिर